Welcome to this installment of Rafter Equipment's maintenance series. Today we're talking about the value of a properly aligned mill. An unaligned mill has numerous issues preventing you from running quality product. These include higher scrap rates, defective tube, unwanted wear on your tooling, and longer setup time. The most cost-effective way to keep your mill running efficiently is a mill alignment.
At Rafter Equipment, we can use either an optical alignment or one with Meteorological absolute tracker. An optical alignment utilizes a theodolite. This system is set up on the center line of the mill and uses scales to measure the shoulders against the center line. Adjustments are then made on the shoulders to center all the roll shafts down the entirety of the mill. A second method Rafter employs is our Meteorological absolute tracking system. Unlike the optical alignment system, the Meteorological tracking allows for centering away from the mill. This system is more expeditious and allows for detailed reporting, including year-over-year delta change reports on your mill center line.
Proper alignment benefits are numerous. These include increased efficiencies in your run, higher quality product, shortened setup times, and increased tool life. If you need Rafter's help with alignment, don't hesitate to call us or shoot us an email.